Hi everyone, Mrs. Kaltenberg here. Ladies and gentlemen, big announcement. This is a different kind of drawing tutorial. I've got to admit, this was one of my first requests. It came from one of my students, and it had me stumped for such a long time. He gave me a little shout out online today, so I was like, okay, we're gonna get this done no matter what it takes. So today we are going to draw chicken nuggets. Brett, this is just for you. Enjoy.
All right, we're going to start with the little baggie that the chicken nuggets came in. So I'm going to start by drawing a diagonal line almost in the middle of my paper. You can put it a little towards the left of your paper. And now I'm going to draw a bit of a zigzaggy, rough edge, kind of a curve. And then I'm going to draw another diagonal line that's the same angle and the same length as the other one. And I'm going to draw a slightly rounded bottom of the bag. Now on the side of the bag, I'm going to show that it's got like a kind of fold. So I'm going to draw a V shape, and I'm going to draw the edge, and then I'm going to finish up the bottom. And then I'm actually going to come in and I'm going to draw a line all the way down the middle there, but I'm going to stop just before the end. I'm going to do an opposite side V shape to show the other end of the bag. And then on the other side of the bag, I'm just going to draw part of the other side of the bag, because we're not going to see most of it. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing all the nuggets. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of making wiggly lines in kind of oval shapes. And then I come down and I draw like a vertical line down. And then I draw the bottom of it, so it shows how thick it is. All right, so you can put as many in as you like. What I do is I start with the top layer of nuggets, and then if there's any nuggets kind of underneath the pile that are partly hidden, I draw them later. So now I'm kind of throwing in that second layer, the bottom layer of nuggets. So I just do squiggly lines to show the main shape, and then I come down and I draw the bottom part. So you can put in as many as you like. I'm just doing 5 today. I'm going to add some dipping sauce, because that's part of my favorite part for chicken nuggets is the dipping sauce. So I'm just drawing a little rectangle, and then it's kind of like the edges of the rectangle are kind of pushed off to the side. And now I'm going to go and outline that for like the top rim of the bucket. And then next thing I do is I'm going to put the bottom on, but I don't want these to be straight up and down. I'm putting mine at a little bit of an angle. And then the bottom will be a horizontal line. And then when I'm going to do the back, I'm going to kind of make sure that these are angled lines. On the inside, I'm just going to draw a little line to show some depth. And then I'm going to add a wavy line inside it. And I'm going to just draw some like little swirls in it to show that that is the sauce inside. And I'm going to write sauce on it just in case anyone's not sure what it is. So here we go. I'm thinking I'm also going to draw like a cup, and it'll be like a whole meal that we got. Chicken nuggets and a drink. So I'm going to start up here. It's going to be a little bit behind the bag of nuggets, and I think it's just going to be a small cup. So I'm going to start with a slightly curved line, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to add another curved line. This is going to be the edge of like a disposable lid. Now I'm going to come down a straight line but slightly angled, and I'm going to do a slightly curved line for the bottom of the cup. Now before I put the rest of the top of the cup in, I want to draw a straw. So I do a slightly curved line on tops and the bottom, and then I can go ahead and finish the top of the cup. And this kind of makes it look like the straw is coming out of the middle of the top of the cup. And I think I'm going to add some stripes to my straw. And that cup looks kind of plain. Let's throw on some like dots or something. There. Kind of like that. And one more. There we go.
Okay, we are all done with those chicken nuggets. I had fun. Gotta tell ya, I enjoyed drawing these. It was a good time. Thanks for the suggestion. I love all your requests, so keep them coming. I love seeing your work too, so send me a picture. Until next time, guys, thanks for joining me. Have a good day. Bye bye.